This will be a camera test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Nowadays, the picture quality from cell phones, really you grab any phone out there that's, reasonably priced and it's gonna give you good pictures. And these two are no exception. Now in the S22 Ultra, I'm really interested in that 10x optical zoom. I think that's pretty cool. And also the 100x optical zoom is a lot more stable now, a lot easier to use handheld, even at 100x. iPhone 13 Pro Max, we all know what these cameras are capable of. So let's go ahead and test these two setups out in the field. Now, I didn't really do anything special. I went out during the day, I went out during the night, and I just took a bunch of random pictures from both of these phones. Also took video, one in the day and one at night. So we'll go ahead and compare those. Tested out the fake bokeh on both phones, which I think in my opinion is a little bit silly, but they've improved it over time, better edge detection, etc. That kind of thing. So I went ahead and tested that out as well. So anyway, enough talking. Let's just get into the pictures. Let's go. Here's a real quick video test between the S22 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now both phones are in 4K 30 frames per second, and just on the 1x kind of zoom here, so not the wide angle or the 10x or anything like that on both, just the 1x. So let me know how it's handling this scene right here, just out in my backyard. And right now you can see half the shot is in shadow and half of the shot is in the sunlight. So let me know how the phone is handling that as far as exposure is concerned. So I'm gonna go over here in the shadows, kind of see what that looks like. Right on the phone screen, the iPhone looks brighter on the phone screen, but on YouTube, let me know how that looks. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of go like this. And again, here's the half and half. So I'm gonna zoom into this flower right here. So let me know how that looks. There you can see me just holding the two phones, no fancy rig or anything. I'm gonna go like this and let me know how that looks. Dynamic range, how like the pink from the flower is coming off, and also how do I sound, right, as far as like the audio is concerned. All right, so I'm gonna go over here now. Just kind of walking. Again, this is kind of like a half shadow, half sunlight. Let me know how it's handling that, how that looks. All right, I'm just gonna keep walking here. All right. Let's see. I know. I gotta pull these weeds out and stuff. So don't give me too much crap in the comments. These trees right here. All right. I'm gonna go like this. Now I'm gonna go up to the sun, and so let me know how this looks. Super bright. Wow. I'm gonna turn back around. So just a beautiful day out here in Northern California. It's nice out, not a lot of wind. Perfect day. Very nice. Just a real quick video here in the low light conditions at night. So I'm out here, it's very windy out, it's very cold, the wind chill is off the hinges right now. Woo! But anyway, let me know how this looks. Check out this very colorful kind of wall here, this artwork. It's very nice. So let me know how that looks. So super windy. Let me know how I sound, the wind in the background, etc. So both phones are in 4K 60, or I'm sorry, 4K 30, my bad, 4K 30. This is just handheld footage. Yeah. So take a look at this. Let me know how the quality looks. Ooh, it is very windy right now. I am freezing. Wind chills off the charts. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a little stroll right here. I don't really feel like running right now, so. But anyway, let me know of the stabilization. I'm just walking, so this should be pretty good on both phones. Yeah, man, I'm just out here. My hands are, I think I'm gonna get frost. What's that thing? What do you call that? Frostbite in my fingers right now. It is so cold with the wind chill, but yeah. Let me know how this looks. Take a look at that thing right there in the distance, that blue thing. Looks pretty cool. Got this car right here, this random vehicle. Just pulling up. So yeah, let me know how this looks. Alright, late. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this quick little comparison between the cameras of these two phones, S22 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. A lot of it is just personal preference. If you're an iPhone user, the iPhone takes good pictures. If you're an Android person, if you're a Galaxy kind of guy or gal, and you like Samsung phones, these cameras take pretty good pictures as well. Video, same thing with video. They both have their minor differences, but overall, for a phone, it's pretty good. Can't really go wrong with either or. But I will have to say that the 10x optical zoom here on the S22 Ultra, I think that's pretty cool. Anyway, let me know what you thought about this video in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.